get noticed in this 2008 Acura TSX. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Call today to schedule a test drive.